Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Subscribe to our channel to get more latest videos. In this video, we are showing you how to get rupees 100 just by installing an app. Adding invitation code, that's it. You will get rupees 100 instantly. No other steps. Install Magic Spin app. Link is in description bar. After installation, no other steps. Installing this app, register with your phone number or email ID and apply referral code and SB SNBI 7217 also available in description bar. That's it. You will get rupees 100. See, I am showing in the my mobile. You will get 100 rupees bonus. You will get redeeming with recharge or anything like code. You will also get by inviting your friend, as you will get 100 rupees by he will install it, and he must install with your referral code and you will get 100 rupees, and you will also get 100 rupees. Thank you for watching our video. You can also get rupees 100 by inviting your friends, and you will also get cashback while you are purchasing anything near like this stores in your recent areas. By uploading bill and your photo selfie, you will get cashback up to 10%. Having any problem in these steps, comment below. I will create another video on the topic. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.